Get great results from an efficient way to wash clothes with the money-saving performance of this Samsung washing machine. Make the most of washing that's better for your bills as well as the environment with a cost-effective laundry from EcoBubble technology. It creates bubbles by combining air, water and detergent, which then penetrate your clothes faster and let you clean at cooler temperatures. Forgotten items don't have to miss the wash, with the option to add stuff after the cycle starts using AddWash. It delivers the best results with every wash and avoids waste, using the ideal amount of detergent and softener for each load thanks to AutoDose.